ग्लास ब्रिक इज immersed in cold water for 24 hours. It should absorb water by weight कितना 20%. For a complete hydrogen cement the water content ratio कितना जो 0.3 से ज़्यादा 0.45 से कम. The fineness of cement bed is tested by air probability method. ठीक है. Which type of cement is recommended in large mass works such as dam? Low heat portland cement. In a cementite there is increase in strength due to period 40 to 28 पैम्बर लीक इसका से 3 से होता है. ठीक है. अब अगला देखो. The grade of cement is determined by testing cement mortar of proportion of cement to sand 1 to 3.1. Approximately 2% dry cement mortar you require to brick work कितना से 13%. What is the quantity of cement and of dry sand respectively required for preparing 1 cubic meter of wet cement mortar of 1 to 5 proportionally the 380 to 1.05. The approximate ratio between the strength of cement mortar at 7 days and 28 days with a 2/3. ठीक है. तो what is the ratio of water required for workable RC of mix 1:2:4 by weight when water content ratio is 0.6 and the unit weight of concrete is 2400 kg per meter cube 1205 liter. IS concrete should be cured at 27 degrees Celsius. The ratio of modulus of rupture to react stress ratio of stress of this 1.0. Slump and compaction factor are two different measures of workability of concrete. Measure of workability of concrete for a slump of 0 to 20. What is the equivalent range of compaction factor? Say 0.7 to 0.8. The number of independent elastic constant for a linear elastic isotropic and homogeneous material. 2 for a given material. The Poisson's ratio 0.25. The ratio of Young's modulus and modulus of rigidity is the 2.5. Symmetry of the stress tensor at a point in a body where at equilibrium is obtained from this equilibrium equation. A simply supported beam of length 10 meter is acted by a clockwise movement of 100 kN per meter at the center of the beam. The value of shear force at left support क्या होता है 10 kN. ये एक्सपेरिमेंट डिफाइंड एट द जोन हेयर shear force is constant. ये हो जाएगा. An overhanging beam on both sides is acted upon by a uniformly distributed load kN per meter. Overhanging each side is L1 meter and clear span is L meter. The maximum positive moment equal to negative. What is the ratio of L1 to L2? 0.355. L1 ठीक है. At a point in a steel member, the major principal stress is 200 Newton per meter square and the minor principal is compressive. If the unique yield stress is 250 Newton per meter square, then according to the maximum strength, the magnitude of the minimum minor principal axis is at which yield will be कितना हो जाएगा 50 Newton per meter square. Circular substitute torque T and bending M. The ratio maximum stress to the bending stress is equal to T upon 2. The total both internal and external degree of static tendency of the plane frame shown in the figure कितना हो जाएगा 18 हो जाएगा. Total degree of kinetic tendency for a plane frame shown in figure ये हो जाएगा 27. 24 the kinetic tendency of the plane truss shown in the figure ये 11 हो जाएगा. Distribution matrix of the beam in 2E/L हो जाएगा 2 1 1 2 which one is following its flexibility matrix L/6 EI 2 upon -1 -1 2. Flexibility method of stress starts with compatible deformation. The figure shown a simply supported beam PQ away from flexibility EI carry two moment M and M2. The slope P will be कितना हो जाएगा तुमको slope P कितना ML/6 EI. A prop cantilever of a span L carries a vertical concentrated load at the mid-span. If the plastic moment capacity of the section is MP, magnitude of collapse load कितना होगा 6 MPL हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब अगला देखो. अगला क्या है तुमको ये देख लो. ये हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब अगला देखो. अगला है as per IS 800 2000 the cross yield in which the extreme fiber can reach the yield stress but cannot develop the plastic moment of resistance due to failure by local buckling. ये आ जाएगा तुमको C semi compact static. A steel member M has a reversal of stress due to live load and whereas another member N has a reversal of stress due to wind load. As per IS 800 the maximum stability ratio per meter कितना हो जाएगा LS for member M and that of member N 180 350 याद रखना. Determine the block shear strength of the tensor member shown in figure if grade of strength is Fe 410 क्या होता है 26.49 kN. Which section to be considered in the design for the net area of the flat equals the D 15763. The minimum number of vertical bar in a circular column कितना हो जाएगा तुमको minimum number of circular column है 6. The rectangle में 4 circular में 6 होता है. मिनिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ लॉन्जिट्यूडनल रेनफोर्समेंट आरसीसी कॉलम ये हो जाएगा 0.8 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ए टीम बीम्स बिहेव्स एज ए रेक्टेंगुलर बीम ऑफ विड्थ इक्वल टू इट्स फ्लैंज ऑफ न्यूट्रल एक्सिस। ये बात है, रिमेन्स विद इन द फ्लैंज इन लिमिट स्टेट द लिमिटेड डेप्थ ऑफ न्यूट्रल एक्सिस ऑफ 4 AP415 for beam having divided D का 0.4 थे। The probability of failure implied in the limit state design is in the order कितना होगा 10⁻²। गैंट चार्ट इसलिए होता है तुमको कंपेरिजन ऑफ एक्चुअल प्रोग्रेस विद द शेड्यूल प्रोग्रेस। एक्सेस लिमिटेशन ऑफ इंटरडिपेंडेंस बिटवीन वेरियस एक्टिविटीज जनरली ऑब्जर्व किसमें होता है बार चार्ट में। द ऑप्टिमिस्टिक मोस्ट लाइकली पेसिमिस्टिक एस्टिमेट ऑफ द टाइम फॉर एन एक्टिविटी 4 days 11 days 12 days एक्सपेक्टेड कंप्लीशन टाइम फॉर एन एक्टिविटी इज ये हो जाए 10 days, ठीक है। Part analysis में the time estimate of the activity responding का the beta distribution consider the following। B मतलब हो गया rotation of the fluid is always associated with shear stress। Water flows through 100 mm pipe diameter pipe with a velocity of 0.015 if the kinematic viscosity of water is 1.03 into 1 the friction factor of the pipe really का था 0.048। A discharge of 1 cubic meter per second is flowing in a rectangular channel 1 meter wide at a depth 0.2 the bed slope of channel is क्या होगा वो सी स्टिप हो जाएगा। If the pump head is 75 meter the discharge 0.464 motor speed 1,440 RPM at rated condition the specific speed of the pump is about कितना है तुमको C मतलब 38 होगा। If the water tank partially filled with water is being carried out the level of water in the range कितना rise in the rear in the fall of this front end हो जाएगा, ठीक। Function of the air person respiratory मांगी क्या तो वो C continuous supply of water to inform it। Performance of well is measured by क्या होता है specific rate। A unit hydrograph theory is based on assumption of क्या होती है time invariance and linear response। hydrograph is used to obtain unit hydrograph ये क्या सी shorter duration with longer duration shorter duration, ठीक है। अब देखो hydraulic jump is just a control meter usually formed above the control if its original depth is less than critical depth, ठीक है। pick the correct statement from the following। D pick मतलब D मतलब per aquifer is found in an unconfined aquifer। The total surface of the water held in the Perth aquifer is known as Perth water table। The Perth aquifer is found in the unconfined aquifer if an exists। The probability of 10 years flood to occur at least once in the next 4 years क्या होता है 45%। कंजंक्टिव यूज पे वाटर ड्यूरिंग क्रॉस इज अमाउंट ऑफ क्या होगा इंटरसेप्शन ट्रांसपिरेशन इवेपोरेशन, ठीक है। द स्टोरेज ऑफ ए रिवर इज ड्यूरिंग द पैसेज ऑफ वाटर क्या तो फंक्शन ऑफ आउटफ्लो ओनली, ठीक है। अभी देख लो अगला हो गया आउटफ्लो ओनली। ए फॉलोइंग एडिशन विल एक्सपेक्टेड इन एरियाज हियर द एक्वाफर इज कन्फाइंड ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है। स्टैंडर्ड पीडीटी सॉल्यूशन इज यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन the hardness in water, ठीक है। flocculating agent is added in the raw water in the treatment plant to remove the fine suspended particles। the terminal velocity of a setting particle in a given medium calculated using the equation कौन सा है तुमको स्टॉक्स में। the type of valve which is used on the provider of suction pipe on the tube क्या होता है तुमको B influx valve the filler material used in contact material क्या होता है तुमको ये steel ballast in which position zone of the dissolves in 0 जो acting division which bacteria result in the corrosion of iron steel plant embedded in soil sulfur bacteria the decomposition of sewage takes place causing a pungent smell with the following cause of the pungent smell कौन सा H2S हो जाएगा। the maximum BOD removal of an oxidation body का तो 90%। which of the following parameter is not included in the routine calculation of solid waste for its physical evolution में तुम्हें energy value। which of the above air pollutants are present in an exhaust fan on the report NOx CO2 or CO। which of the following method of solid waste management conserves energy most efficiently in the form of gas or oil pyrolysis, ठीक है। अब देखो अभी देखो इन urban area pollution the most poisonous gas is supposed to be carbon monoxide। it is hazardous because combined with hydrocarbon in the varying capacity computation the water table will be ignored when the water table lies कहाँ हो जाएगा D below the wedge zone। what is the critical depth of vertical cut in a saturated soil with C is equal to 15.5 km per meter square and कम छोटे km पर ये हो जाएगा 3.41। अर्थ एंड का डिग्री कंडीशन फॉर दिस स्टेबिलिटी हैज टू बी चेक्ड विद कंजर्वेशन विद और विदाउट पैट द भी का जाएगा बी अपस्ट्रीम स्लोप में, ठीक है। अब अगला देखो अल्टीमेट बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी of a soil 3 than 0% 1.8 gamma 20 if the FOS is 0.3 water will say very close in 98 if saturated soil 80% of 22 kilometer per minute the effective most effective noses on a horizontal at 5 meter depth will be कितना हो जाएगा तुमको 60 किलोमीटर पर मीटर कर देगा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ परमिटिविटी ऑफ सिल्ट कितना 5 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड पाइपिंग इन सॉइल जनरली ओके का बोलते हैं फैक्टर स्ट्रेस 0 हो जाएगा ठीक है अगला देखो फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी रिस्पेक्ट टू कोहेजन विल गिव द सेम कोएफिशिएंट रेट ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी रिस्पेक्ट टू क्या हाइट fully saturated clay specimen in a consolidimeter was subjected to a loading of 200 kg after a period of time it was found that average 4% specimen was 70 kg the percentage of concentration density कहते हैं तो 65% theory of error adjustment this will be minimizing the part of your personal and accidental error and in hard tape is made of case nickel and steel which one of the following is carried out by two threaded lead metals and circular curve setting the process of determining the location of the station occupied by the plane table इसको क्या बोलते हैं ये भी 3 point problem resection method for circular curve of radius 200 the coefficient of lateral friction is 0.1 the giant speed is 40 km/h equilibrium super elevation for equal pressure inner and outer होगी कितना हो जाएगा 6.3 हो जाएगा ठीक है a summit curve is formed at the intersection of 3% up gradient 5% down gradient to provide solution the length of summit curve कितना हो जाएगा तुमको 298 meter the dowel bar are used in rigid pavement to transfer load from one slab to another the reflection and cracking observed because the bituminous overlay with upper cement concrete a trench bar is used for interlocking point and cylinder which is the for servicing and repair of the aircraft इसके लिए होता है so हैंगर हो जाएगा correlation between radius of curvature and degree of curvature will be कितना होगा 1750 by t. The movable tapered end of the tongue rail is known as toe of switch. The arrangement made when left hand rail of one track crosses the right hand rail of another track इसको क्या बोलते हैं acute angle crossing बोलते हैं. Come to relevant ice core the weight of timber is to be reckoned at moisture content of क्या 12%. The disease of dry rot in timber unit by क्या आता है तो वो ये lack of proper ventilation. which are the ratio of elastic motor of structure timber in longitudinal direction to that in transfer direction equal to 1 to 2. What treatment is used for making timber fire resistant? Abel's process, which is used for purpose of classification timber for senior purpose. IS 1141195. The frog of the brill में से kept कहाँ पे होता है ये टॉप फेस पे होता है ना टॉप फेस पे एक किंग क्लोजर ये क्या होता है तो वो क्रॉस सा हाफ ब्रिक हो गया ठीक है बोला देखो 41 क्यूबिक मीटर ऑफ ब्रिक मशीन द नंबर ऑफ मीटर ब्रिक्स नीडेड कितना होता है 500 होता है ठीक है तो ब्रिक मिनिमम कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास ब्रिक कितना चाहिए 2 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेन एट द लेवल ऑफ कंप्रेशन स्ट्रेस फॉर ए डबली रिइंफोर्स्ड सेक्शन हैवी फैक्टर डी कितना होता है सी 0.031 minus d dash by c the main reinforcement in earth slab consists of 10 mm bar at 100 meter spacing center to center it is desired to replace the 10 mm bars by 12 mm the spacing of 12 कितना हो जाएगा 144 a steel hook of 10 mm diameter is better compressed for this if the permissible stress still 343 the bond stress is not exceeding 0.72 the maximum load that can be suspended on the book का तो 1540 न्यूटन हो जाएगा a short square column with this 200 mm is subject to design grade of MDT grade of concrete 440 a longitudinal steel required for this section in this कितना हो जाएगा तो कोई 0 हो जाएगा नो इन्फोर्समेंट नेगेटिव में इफ एफसी के मॉडल तो कितना हो जाएगा तुमको 5,000 एफसी के इन द लिमिटेड स्टील डिजाइन मेथड फॉर स्टील एंड कंक्रीट टेकन है क्या जा सी 1.15 फॉर स्टील और 1.5 फॉर कंक्रीट फॉर M30 ग्रेड कंक्रीट द 28 डेज का एक्सटेंशन से भी कितना हो जाएगा तुमको 13 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर ठीक है अब देखो फॉर द फिलेट वेल्ड क्रॉस सेक्शन शोन इन द फिगर दिस फॉर थिकनेस कितना हो जाएगा BD अभी देखो द इफेक्टिव लेंथ ऑफ द फिलेट वेट इज टेकन एज कितना हो जाएगा टोटल लेंथ माइनस 2 इंच ऑफ वेल्ड साइज टू स्टील प्लेट इज हैवी 300 meter mm and 10 mm thick are connected by single bolt if the plates are in tension diameter of the bolt is 20 mm the net section area of the plate will be कितना हो जाएगा see 2800 mm for the eccentric bolted connection of bracket shown in figure which one of the following will have the maximum resultant force of the bolt है intermediate vertical steel provided in the plate cutter ये कितना था eliminate the buckle buckling in the build up compression number of batters should be such that the member of 45 into less than 3 wedge 3 वेज हो गया, ठीक है। द लोड्स आर ऑन ए कनेक्शन इज नॉट ए सेंट्रिक फोर्स, इसके लिए डबल कवर बर्ड वर्क के लिए नहीं होता है। इन केस ऑफ लेटरल अनस्ट्रेंड बीम, ये क्या होता है, द कंप्रेशन फ्लैंज डिफ्लेक्ट लेटर इन सिंपली सपोर्टेड प्री स्ट्रेस बीम, कंक्रीट बीम set to inform distributed load on printer, the actual shape of the cable will be the parabolic resistor maximum resistance mid span. The point of contact flexure occur in structure when bonding moment change करता है साइन को। For the truss one figure the number of zero force member will be कितना है, D 4 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अब 4 simply sort of beam of span L, the shape of the shape of diagram will be rectangle of length L if the beam set to क्या है clockwise moment on any point within this span, ये हो जाएगा। For the frame shown in the figure the degree of static determinacy is 12 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अब ये देखो, for in a frame structure if statistically indeterminate structure to the second then the minimum number of plastic is required for the complete collapse of the structure 3 होगा। which of the following represents the increasing order of L shape factor, I section, फिर rectangle, फिर solid circle, फिर diamond। A point load of 50 kN acting at a mid span of simply said to be produces the same maximum deflection of the beam as caused by uniformly distributed load of 20 kN और the span of the beam ये कितना हो जाएगा, 4 मीटर हो जाएगा। अब देखो, beam of length 10 मीटर carries a uniformly distributed 10 kN after the rest of 2 support in order to have maximum bending moment develop with the beam least possible the distance in support must be कितना चाहिए, 5.86। देख लीजिए जरा। Simply a 3-inch parabolic heart of span for is subject to vertical downward concentrated load 80 kN at quarter of the span. The horizontal reaction at A is equal to कितना हो जाएगा, 340 kN. Influence length for structure can be obtained by Muller bridge to bridge पर simply supported beam is loaded as the bending moment at C will be क्या आ जाएगा, तो B 80 kN second. A beam simply supported both ends of length side carries 2 equal unlike a couple M at 2 end. If the flexural rigidity is EI constant then central deflection कितना हो जाएगा, B M square upon 8 EI. The given shows with a single constant P the fixed in moment develop at joint A का हो जाएगा B PL upon 6 EI. What is the horizontal displacement referring C of the given this होगा D ml square upon 2I. The maximum bending moment at the left a quarter of a simply supported beam due to increase crossing of UDL of length shorter than a span in the direction length of bore would occur when the load has just crossed this section y equal to 3/4 हो जाएगा। Size of the basic stiffness matrix for a plane truss member in member coordinate system कितना होता है, A 22 the number of simultaneous equation to be solved in slope difference कितना होता है, number of parametric difference from among the range of the numerical value they give select the range valid for the vertex to E as a ratio D मतलब U से ज़्यादा हो जाए E, ये मतलब 0 से ज़्यादा, ठीक है। फ्लोकुलर स्ट्रक्चर फाउंड कहाँ होता है, क्लेज में होता है। which of the following is type of structure is not wind blown deposit कहता है ड्रिफ्ट, ठीक है। साथ में लिक्विड लिमिट में ऑल सॉइल पासेज ये कहता है लिक्विड लिमिट ऑल सॉइल पासेज सेम सेट एंड स्मॉल मॉडुलस। लोअरिंग ऑफ ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल कॉजेज क्या होता है, इंक्रीज इन इफेक्टिव स्ट्रेस। If the flow net of the coffer dam has 6 number of flows and 6 number of equivalent and head 6 for the K is equal to 40 CPS loss कितना हो जाएगा, KS हो जाएगा 4 हो जाएगा मतलब 0.6 और 6.6 नहीं हो जाएगा। Immediately after loading the excess pore pressure will be कितना हो जाएगा तुमको, equal to applied load हो जाएगा। In compaction test if the compaction 40 increase it will increase का the increase in maximum dry density and decrease in OMS हो जाएगा। C मतलब 3/1 डिफिकल्टी टू कंट्रोल ड्रेनेज डायरेक्शन ऑफ फेलर प्लेन इज फिक्स्ड और 1 में क्या है, वॉल्यूम चेंज करना भी मेजर्ड, ये हो जाएगा। Which of the following is correct? 2 and 3. The sand with its voidus less than critical voidus increase in volume and shear. ठीक है, for the sand at critical voidus the volume changes during shear is minimum, ठीक है। आप देखो 2 footing, one circular and other square are found on the surface of a purely causal soil. Diameter of a circular footing and width of the same. इस ultimate bearing capacity of circular कितना C 0.75 हो जाएगा। Bearing capacity increases with the क्या था C increase in depth of water table below footing up to twice the width of the Black cotton soil covers a large part of India, in which In using a numeric chart, the loaded area is drawn to a scale using the area scale shown in the wall friction of the draining wall. ये क्या होता है, डिक्रीजेज एक्टिव प्रेशर बट डिक्रीजेज पैसिव अर्थ प्रेशर, ये हो जाएगा। अब सी मतलब क्या होगा, तुमको एक्टिव अर्थ प्रेशर ऑन ड्रेनिंग वॉल डिक्रीजेज ड्यू टू डिक्रीज इन वॉल प्रेशर एंड काइंड थ्योरी ऑफ अर्थ प्रेशर एज्यूम दैट बैक ऑफ द वॉल इज वर्टिकल एंड स्मूथ हो जाएगा। ठीक है, अब अगले देखिए डी मतलब क्या होगा, तुमको द नेगेटिव स्किन फ्रिक्शन डेवलप व्हेन द पाइल इज डेवलप रिसेंटली डिपॉजिटेड क्ले लेयर, वो हो गया तीसरा। नेगेटिव स्किन फ्रिक्शन डेवलप ड्यू टू ए सडन ड्रॉडाउन ऑफ द वाटर टेबल, ये हो गया। इधर 300 से